They have sent her. Shall we open this?
Keep tying it up. That is pretty big.
Man.
Wow.
Wow. Nice.
Actually a parachute.
Yeah, how do you do rockets with this big parachute?
Yeah.
God damn, what the hell is that? You need this, it's such big this thing.
Yeah. It came in this small of a box. Yeah.
Isn't this art rocket?
Yeah.
You know some ideas to inflate us,
Huh? Run.
ideas to inflate.
I only we can just run.
Okay, start running. Do you have that
Huh?
cleaner?
Cleaner? I don't think so.
That blower?
Blower?
Head right.
Yeah, do we have that in the workshop?
I don't think so.
Maybe clear your head right. Nice.
This one long gas head.
Man. Canopy is only this big.
Oh.
Nice.
Jatin, give one comparison to human size. You lie down, lie down. Beside it. Beside it. Beside it. Yeah, like this. Wow.
Take pictures parallelly.
Wait. No, wait. Nice.
6'7" by the way.
Yeah, 6 months.
One jumping for
Sorry, no, my toes are out. I gotta get comfortable.
Yeah, get up.